Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time, so today I'll be showing a tutorial on how to make this elegant bubu. As you can see, the bubu is so nice and beautiful. So guys, let's get right into the video. So to start off, I'll be folding my fabric into 4, and I will place the length of my I'll be placing my length of the gown, which is 55, and as well as my width, which is 24 inches. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and mark my neckline. My neckline is, for this one I'll be using 2.5, and for my front neck depth I'll be using 4.5, and for my back neck depth I'll be using 3 inches. As you can see, I'll be cutting both my front and my back fabric together. I'm marking my back as well because I'll be cutting the two together. So afterwards, I'll go ahead and form a slope. I'll be going down by 3 inches, and I'll be connecting that 3 inches to my neckline just to form a slope for the sleeve. So the next I'll be doing is that I'll be placing my horizontal measurement, which is my waistline, my hip line, and the bust line. So the measurement I'll be using is that the bust plus 4 inches, the waist measurement plus 4 inches, as well as the hip measurement plus 4 inches. So I'd like to say something here. The normal conventional bubu that everybody knows is the one that the sides of the bubu will be open. But for this one, I want the side to be closed. So what I'm doing now by placing my bust measurement, hip measurement, and everything will be done on the right side of the fabric. Right side of the fabric, not actually the wrong side. And for my sleeve opening, I'm using just 9 inches here. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and mark it out, just 9 inches. So I'll be placing my shoulder to the waist as well, and the shoulder to hip as well, and I'll be marking that point out just like I've said earlier. So the measurement I'll be going for will be my hip measurement, which is 11 plus 4 inches, which is 15 inches. So I'll be connecting that to the waistline. Sorry, my camera is not covering that part. From the length of the gown, I will go up by 11 inches for my slit. Slit is important because to give that room for easy movement. So I'll be going up by 11 inches, and at that 11 inches point, I'll be going out by 16 inches. I'll be placing 16 inches measurement there just to form something like a A-line, just a slight A-line style. And I'll be connecting my dots here. Sorry, my chalk is not very like obvious, and it's not very clear, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. So the next thing, I'll first of all cut out the back neckline, and I'll cut out the rest. Mind you, I said the back first, not the front, because I'm cutting the two together here. So for my sleeve, like I said earlier, I marked just 9 inches here, and I'll be cutting it out just like I'm doing so. So after that, I'll go ahead and separate my fabric, and I'll cut out the front neckline. Okay, so like I said earlier, I will be joining the side of this my bubu, and this measurement I placed on the wrong side, I'll be placing it on my right side afterwards, after sewing the side of my bubu. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So I'll go ahead and join the side of my bubu. I'll go ahead and pipe the neck, and I'll hem the sleeve as well. But after so much consideration, I decided to add this damask trimmings to my bubu. So I later turned the neckline to be V-neck shape, and as well as the sleeve to be wider than it's supposed to be. So I make it 12 inches instead of 9 inches. So I'll just be trimming it out, and I'll just mark the point I want my sleeve to reach. You understand? And I've already cut it to be 9 inches before, but because I want to add more drama to the bubu, so that's why I had to do that. So I have to just know where my sleeve will stop. I'll just be just cut it out a little bit here. I'll be trimming it off later on. I'll later trim off the side of my bubu later on. So I'm just trying to trim it so that I will know where it's stopping. And for the neckline, like I said, I've already turned my front neckline to be V-neck instead of a normal round neck. So I'm just trying to show you how it will be looking like after I finish putting the damask trimming on my neckline. So this is how it will be looking. You can see it's already looking much beautiful. So guys, here I've already piped my back neckline, and as well as the front neckline, and I've added my trimmings to the front neckline. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be joining my shoulder. After joining my shoulder, I'll go ahead and hem my sleeve. After hemming my sleeve, I'll actually put my trimmings on the sleeve, and I'll join the sides of my bubu. So after joining the side of my bubu, I'll go ahead and place my bust measurements, hip measurement, and waist measurements on the right side, and I will just give it, and that's it. You're done. You have this beautiful, elegant bubu ready for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.